All right, I'm gonna try to be quick with this video. As y'all seen, that was a cold start. Brand new exhaust, everything. So I want to show you guys the work. It looks so impressive. Everything is sounding really good. It sounds good. It sounds clean. It's got a nice idle to it. Very good job that they did for me. But I'm very happy with it. I'm one step closer. I'm letting it run because I didn't turn the car on for months. I think it was a total of 6 months that the car had been dormant, I guess you can say. That I want to make sure that it gets all the moisture out from wherever it needs to go. Everything other than that, everything is looking really good. I found a way, just so y'all see. So these, I didn't know where I was gonna end up putting this at. So really, just for now, temporary fix. Zip ties, tie it up to this, and that's on there. That's not going anywhere. It's out the way, so it kind of fell in place just perfect. I'm happy about that. So thank you very much for watching, and y'all have a good day. Be safe out there. I feel like I should be helping more.
No, we do it all the time. We kind of got a system. So if you help, you'd be in the way.
Oh, okay.
So you're doing good.
All right. I got it on camera too, so I'd rather not be in the way.
Got it on camera that you're not in the way?
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's recording. Do I hop in there again?
Go ahead. You get to go. Hop in there and get your foot on the brake. Now we're gonna when you start to go downhill, stop, because we're gonna line up the ramps.
Okay.
So don't go straight on down yet. I hear you. Jump in there.
I never had to do it through the window.
This is where a target top comes in handy. At least that was out of the way.
Yeah. Okay. I thought I had forgotten the key.
That was bad. Yeah, I'm gonna move my board over. I can see it.
All right.
Is this plastic?
Fiberglass. Right.
There. I gotta move mine. Yours is good. Yeah, probably. See what it'll do without pushing it.
Let it go.
Let it go. Go straight back. Don't turn. Take your foot off the brake completely.
You're good. Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. That's. Go ahead. Easy. All right, go ahead. You good?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. You're good.
Okay. All right. One egg pop. Oh well. Thank you, Miss Nissan.
You're welcome. You know you edit all this, right?
Huh?
You edit all this, right?
A little bit, maybe.
Man, look at all that sweet.
Oh. So yep,
Nice.
a little more work to do left, but nothing major.
Are you hitting the hood at all here?
Huh? No, it don't hit. I'll put the camera in there once to make sure that it clears, and it clears.
Oh, God. Oh, so you filmed it. That's fine.
All right. Thank you very much.
So he's just on exhaust here.
That's how he's
Then
all
you
right.
gotta get it tuned. So you're gonna need to pull it somewhere
I'm
else.
gonna have to get it.
That's fine. Just let me know
Yeah.
whenever.
I'll let you know ahead of time.
Yeah.
That way it doesn't.
Because I was gonna load the other car back in there and let it stay in there. But if it's gonna be pretty soon, how long is it gonna take to do this?
We'd say a few days, so maybe probably by the
weekend?
end of the week should be good.
I'm not going. We're jockeying cars around in the shop.
Uh-huh.
A lot happening over there. So I was gonna leave one of the cars in the trailer, probably his, while he's getting his transmission done.
The GL,
The blue.
the Supra, the blue one.
Looking for a gear track.
Not cool.
Yeah.
Car life.
Yep.
Do I owe you guys anything for the day?
No, don't worry.
You
about
sure?
it. Just they come back. Where you get? Who's tuning?
Solo.
Oh, that's good. Across the street.
Going Solo.
Yeah. No, you know just throw $10 in it or something on the way back when we go
I'll
back.
fill up the tank, ain't no problem.
No, I didn't take that much. Just a little bit.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
We gotta go
Good
pick
seeing
up,
ya.
pick up something else.
Miss Lisa, thank you for recording.
You're welcome.
Say bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye. See you next week.
All right, so while we're waiting for the owner of the shop to come in, so this is what shows up. SR20 Nissan pickup truck. That's the owner right there. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good.
What's going on, man? You want to say hi to anybody? Shout out
What's
to
up,
anybody?
guys? We are here at JDM Society.
JDM
Colt,
Society.
Carolina Tuner Colt out here.
Yep.
Hey, that Skyline though.
The unexpected.